right, so today we're here on St. Thomas, and what we have here today is this roof that's going on here today is just one of over 800 roofs and jobs that are going to be performed here through APTIM on the three islands, St. John, St. Croix, and St. Thomas.
During the hurricane, there was a lot of uplift of the homes, a lot of the roofs. They did a lot of major damage to the structures, including all the way down to the rafters. So we've been rebuilding these homes from the rafters, putting new sheeting, putting new purlins on the homes. Basically, these homes will be, the roofs will be rated for 165-mile-an-hour winds.
Today, we're installing the purlins on a house that's a 50% rebuild. Yesterday, we finished installing the plywood and put the ice and water shield down. Tomorrow, that will be inspected at 9 a.m. Then we'll begin doing the metal.
Roofs are what were provided through the FEMA program, through what we're working on currently. Not just doing the repairs, meaning putting a tarp over it, but putting in a permanent solution, something that the people can live with for years to come.
Well, the living condition was really bad because the water just come in from the roof of the house. When rain comes, it's pour right in, but not no more.
I'd like to thank you to DSW Homes and APTIM for doing a phenomenal job and getting a roof back on my house and making it comfortable for my family and I.
6 days, I think they were already done. Everything. And no leaks, no nothing after that, you know. They were just there working every minute without no problem.
Yeah, it's just great to help out these families, you know. They really need a place to live, you know, they need a new home. So we do our best to get them, you know, nice and situated, keep them happy.
We work here at the office 7 days a week to make sure that we can help these families and do our best and put our part in it. And it is honestly the best experience ever, and it feels truly amazing.
APTIM is badged, I believe, over 3,500 people to work between these islands, working 7 days a week, dawn to dark, even through the holidays, to always do what we love to do, and that's take care of these families with urgency.
We are there until the very end to do the very best job we can. We think that the urgent response to repair the USVI is going to continue to get better, and we're going to see full recovery in the USVI.